In this video, I'll show you how to create a rich text signature, and I'll also show you how to add an image to your signature. So to set up your mail signature, go to your mail settings, and then in the general tab, that's where we are right here, about halfway down the page is the signature area. So if you don't have a signature, you'll have the radio button by no signature selected. If you do have a signature, you'll see the signature here, and we can edit the signature. First, I like to just type out the text I want to include here. I'll do the formatting later. And there's my phone number. Okay, so if I didn't choose any of these formatting buttons when I saved my signature, this is how the signature would look. So the basic Google font and size. But I want to make my signature look a little more interesting. I want to bold my name. I also want to make my name a little bit larger. So again, these are the same formatting buttons that you have in the Compose Mail screen, so they shouldn't look new to you. If you're not sure what these do, just highlight your mouse over these buttons. For lynda.com author, I think I'll make that italic. For this website, I do want this to be a link, so I'll highlight the URL. I'll select link, and it automatically becomes a link, and that's because it has the www in front of it. If I wanted to make Lynda a link, and I clicked on that, I would actually have to type in the web address here. And if I need to remove that link, I'll just select remove. You can add numbered lists and bulleted lists as well. If you made a mistake on the formatting and you just want to revert to the original formatting, select the text and choose remove formatting. Looks like that removed the line break as well. So there we go. If for some reason you are pressing enter to create a new line break and it's actually creating a new paragraph break, what I recommend is pressing shift and enter, and that will insert a new line. If for some reason you're getting a new paragraph when you press enter, just choose shift and then enter. Let's say you want to add an image to your signature. A lot of people put their company logo in there, and that's great. Just remember that on some email readers like mobile devices, you may not actually see that image come through. So that's just something to be aware of. If you click on Insert Image, what you see here is that you can add an image if you have the URL for that image. So you can't just upload an image. You need to actually have an image that exists on the web. So let's say your image is on the web, maybe it's on your website. How do you get that URL? Well, I'm looking at this lynda.com page with some logos, and one thing I could do is I could right-click on the logo and choose Copy Image URL, or I could just open the image in a new tab. So here it is in a new tab, and then I can just copy the URL here. So I'll press Control-C to copy that, and now I'll paste it here, and I even get a preview of the image. If a preview doesn't come up, it means there's something wrong with the URL, and you might want to try another one. So I'll press OK. Here's my image. Now that it's in my signature, I can decide on the size. I'm going to make it just small there. Looks good to me, so I'll want to save my changes. And now when I compose a new message, my signature is automatically added to the end of the message below these two dashed lines. You can change your signature at any time by going into Mail Settings and making changes to the signature.